Financial freedom is more than just making money. It's knowing that if you had to stop working, you'll still be okay. It's being able to do what you want, when you want, and wherever you want to do it. Making a good income helps, but what are you doing with that money? Are you blowing it on useless junk, or are you investing it so that your money can make you more money? But before we get too far, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom. And if you're interested in creating both time and financial freedom through residual income, you're in the right place because that's all we talk about here. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of it. And let's dive into today's video. See, when you have your money making you more money, you don't have to trade as much time to do it. Now you can free up your time to spend it with your family, invest in a new skill, or just doing whatever you love. A high income is nice, but if that one source of income goes away, how will it affect your life? That's why diversification is key, and earning through multiple streams of residual or passive income really helps with financial freedom. That way, if one stream of income gets knocked out from under you, you have others to support you, and it's as financially secure as you can get. For me personally, I've invested in stocks, mutual funds, crypto, and I have 3 residual streams of income coming in through affiliate offers. So all of these are passive ways that I can be earning money. And if I only had to pick one, it would be the Only One Digital Business, HBA, because that is the fastest, easiest way to start earning residual income from month to month. And if you're interested in that, there is a link in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. But see, I have multiple streams. That way, if one gets knocked out from under me, the others will support my income level. Now, you might have been taught that saving your money in a bank is a good idea for financial freedom. Unfortunately, that is not very good advice, but it gets passed down a lot. And the reason is banks just don't pay out enough interest rate to be worth holding in a savings account. They have very low interest rates that do not compete with inflation. And what inflation is, it means year to year, the value of your dollar is worth less and less. And so unless you have your money invested in high earners such as stocks, mutual funds, stuff like that, your money will actually be worth less and less over time. That's why it's unwise to hold your money in the bank, except for you do want to hold enough money called an emergency fund, which is typically about 3 months worth of your expense. This way, if anything pops up, you're covered and you're taking the money out of your bank, not out of your investments, to have just enough for that emergency fund to cover any unexpected events that might happen, and put the rest in investments that will earn you more money than inflation. And remember, this doesn't all have to happen overnight. You don't have to invest now and quit your job tomorrow, but it does need to happen. If you ever want to live the life that you love, or if you ever just want to retire, then it does need to happen. So start small. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you do need to start. And if you're unsure where to start, you can check out this video where I can help you get started off on the right foot. If you learned anything here, or if you like this video at all, please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next video.